Planning to start your own company? A private limited company is one of the most trusted and recognized business structure in India. FN Advisory brings you the Private Limited Starter Kit, a complete package to help you register, manage, and stay compliant with all essential companies law. Instead of buying each service separately, get the entire setup in one affordable kit and save both time and cost. Now, what is this Private Limited Starter Kit? The Private Limited Starter Kit is a one-stop solution for entrepreneurs who want to start a private limited company with complete compliance and expert support. It covers everything from company registration and tax setup to accounting, ROC filings, and trademark protection. What is included in this kit? The first thing is Private Limited Company Incorporation. Get your company registered with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, that is MCA. Seamlessly, we handle SPICE Plus forms filing with MCA, digital signature for 2 directors, directors identification numbers, certificate of incorporation, MOA and AOA, all with the expert guidance from start to finish. Second point is PAN and TAN application. Once your company is incorporated, we help you obtain your PAN and TAN for tax identify and TDS compliance. Includes PAN and TAN allotment via SPICE, NSDL, UTI portal handling, verification and validation support, dispatch tracking and assistance. Third point is GST registration and returns. Enable your business for B2B invoicing, e-commerce sales and tax compliance. Our experts assist with GST application and ARN tracking, officer coordination and clarification, business proof validation, GST and insurance and login setup, monthly or quarterly GST return filings and conciliation. Fourth point is bookkeeping. Keep your company's financial clean and compliant. Our bookkeeping services includes monthly recording of all sales, purchase and expenses, preparation of ledger, balance sheet and P&L, access to updated MIS reports, accounting compliant with MCA and income tax standards. Now, fifth point is income tax return, that is ITR filing. Annual ITR filing with professional computation and CA review. You'll get book-based ITR 6 or ITR 5 computation from 26 AS matching digital filings with tax audits, checks if applicable, assistance for notices or follow-ups. Now, 6th point is ROC compliance. Ensure your company remains compliant with the Companies Act. Includes drafting of board reporters and resolutions, preparation of financial statement, filing of AOC and MGT 7 with MCA, DSC validation and document support. 7th is trademark registration. Protect your company's brand name and logo with a registered trademark. We take care of trademark search and eligibility check, drafting and filing under the right class, application submission and acknowledgement, regular status tracking and updating. 8th is tax planning and investment consultancy. Plan your taxes smartly and make informed investment decision includes quarterly tax planning sessions, expenses, categorization and reduction advice, investment and tax saving strategy decisions, continuous email and call support. 9th is TDS return. Stay compliant with timely TDS filings to avoid penalties. We manage preparation and filings of quarterly TDS returns from 26Q, 27Q, 27EQ. TDS liability calculation and due date tracking, DSC based submission, reconciliation of TDS with Form 26AS and correction of discrepancies. Why to choose this kit? Buying these services separately will cost you more. With the Private Limited Starter Kit, you can get every essential registration filings and even compliance bundle together, ensuring accuracy, continuity and cost saving. Why did you choose FN Advisory for this? With FN Advisory, you get experienced chartered accountants and company secretaries, end-to-end company compliance management, transparent process and expert guidance, regular compliance reminders and dedicated support. This kit is perfect for first-time entrepreneurs, startups seeking investor confidence, business converting from proprietorship to private limited, anyone looking for complete legal tax and compliance support under one choose. If you want to start your company with the right way with a private limited starter kit from FN Advisory. Focus on your business growth and let us handle the registration, filings and company IDs. Call us at 9193929390. Visit www.fnadvisory.com. If this video is helpful, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more informative business tips.